Here's a question most people never ask. Are most pills actually necessary, or are they results of earlier choices? Look, I'm not anti-medicine. I'm anti-pretending that pills exist in a vacuum. Most chronic medications don't appear out of nowhere. They show up after years of inputs: food, movement, sleep, stress, environment. We don't wake up one day with heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, or gout. We build them slowly, quietly, through systems we repeat every day. And when those systems break us, the medical system does what it's designed to do: manage symptoms. That doesn't make doctors evil. It means the system is reactive, not preventative. Here's the uncomfortable part. If a condition is driven by lifestyle inputs, then continuing the same inputs while relying on pills isn't treatment, it's maintenance. I've lived this. I was on the path of escalating meds, each one working, but none fixing anything. When I changed the system, whole food, plant-based, daily fasting, fasted training, daily movement, removal of processed food, the need for pills disappeared because the reason for them disappeared. That's the part nobody explains. Pills don't usually fail, they just don't solve root causes. So, are most pills a choice? Not in the moment, but upstream, very often, yes. And the earlier you change the system, the fewer pills you'll ever need. That's not medical advice, that's cause and effect.